And awesome morning kids, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing good. Myself Pragya from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group of Kota. Welcome you all in new class, new session. So kids, today we are going to do revision of capital letters A to Z. So take out your English workbook and open page number 1 and mention date and classwork at the top. Now kids, sharp your pencil and start writing with me. Write capital letter A. So put your pencil here on the first line and draw slanting line. Very slowly like this, touch the third line. And again from the first line, we will draw slanting line, touch the third line like this. And now we will draw a small sleeping line in between on the second line. Capital letter A. Now which letter comes after A? Yes, it's B. So write capital letter B. Standing line, small curve, touch the second line and again small curve like this. Capital letter B. Now write capital letter C. So put your pencil here on the first line, near the first line and draw a long curve like this. Touch the third line. Capital letter C. Now which letter comes after C? Yes, it's D. So write capital letter D. Put your pencil here. Draw a standing line. Touch the third line. And now from here we will draw a long curve like this. Capital letter D. Now write capital letter E. So put your pencil here on the first line, draw a standing line, touch the third line. Now we will draw 3 small sleeping line like this on the first line. Second line, again we will draw a small sleeping line and on the third line again we will draw a small sleeping line. Capital letter E. Now write capital letter F. Standing line. Now draw a small sleeping line like this. Capital letter F. Now write capital letter G. So put your pencil here and draw long curve, moving up with standing line, touch the second line. Now draw a small sleeping line like this. Capital letter G. Now which letter comes after G? Yes, it's H. So write capital letter H. Put your pencil here on the first line. Draw standing line. Touch the third line. Again we will draw one standing line like this. And we'll join them with small sleeping line on the second line like this. Capital letter H. Now which letter comes after H? It's I. So put your pencil here on the first line, draw sleeping line. Now between the sleeping line we will draw one standing line. Touch the third line and here again we will draw small sleeping line like this. Capital letter I. Now which letter comes after I? It's J. So write capital letter J. Put your pencil here on the first line. Draw sleeping line. Now between the sleeping line, we will draw one standing line, moving towards the third line and turn. Capital letter J. Now write capital letter K. So put your pencil here on the first line. Draw standing line like this. And now from the second line, we will draw two slanting lines up and down. Okay? Like this. Capital letter K. Now which letter comes after K? Yes, it's L. So put your pencil here on the first line. Draw standing line. Now small sleeping line like this. Capital letter L. Now which letter comes after L? Yes, I know you know it. It's M. So write capital letter M. Standing line. Touch the third line. And now from here we will draw slanting line down. Touch the third line. Again moving up with slanting line. Now we will draw standing line like this. Capital letter M. Now which letter comes after M? Yes, it's N. So write capital letter N. Put your pencil here. Draw standing line. Slanting line. Touch the third line. And again we will moving up with the standing line like this. Capital letter N. Now which letter comes after N? It's O. So write capital letter O. Put your pencil here. Draw a long curve. Touch the third line. Moving up with long curve and join them. Capital letter O. Now which letter comes after O? It's P. So write capital letter P. Standing line and small curve. Capital letter P. Now write capital letter Q. Long curve. Again draw long curve, join them, and now we will draw a small slanting line inside to outside like this. Capital letter Q. Now which letter comes after Q? It's R. So write capital letter R. Standing line, curve, slanting line. Capital letter R. Write capital letter S. So put your pencil near the first line and draw curve. Again draw small curve in opposite direction like this. Capital letter S. Now which letter comes after S? It's T. So write capital letter T. Sleeping line. Between the sleeping line we will draw one standing line like this. Capital letter T. Now which letter comes after T? It's U. So write capital letter U. Put your pencil on the first line, draw a standing line, curve, moving up with standing line. Capital letter U. Now write capital letter V. Put your pencil on the first line, draw a slanting line, touch the third line, moving up with slanting line and touch the first line. Capital letter V. Now write capital letter W. Draw slanting line, touch the third line. Again moving up with slanting line, touch the first line. Now again slanting line, touch the third line. Moving up with slanting line, touch the first line. Capital letter W. Now which letter comes after W? It's X. So write capital letter X. Put your pencil on the first line, draw a slanting line. And again we will draw one slanting line like this. Capital letter X. Now which letter comes after X? It's Y. So write capital letter Y. Slanting line, touch the second line. And now we will draw long slanting line like this. Capital letter Y. And now our last letter is Z. So put your pencil on the first line, draw slipping line, slanting line and slipping line. Capital letter Z. So kids, like this you have to complete the pages 1 and 2 in your English workbook. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.